Okay, so network layer is basically having the source IP address and the destination IP address. In this way, it can easily transfer data over the network from the sender to the receiver. It's because of the IP address of the source computer and the destination computer. And in this case, not only internet protocol, but routers also plays its own role. As you all know, there are routers, they have got different sockets, and each socket has got the IP address at each port. Have you ever seen routers? I think हमने last class में हार्डवेयर कनेक्टेड नेटवर्किंग वो हमने एक टॉपिक पढ़ा था, कुछ याद है? उसके अंदर हमने राउटर्स पढ़े थे, स्विचेस पढ़े थे, एंड आई शोड द पिक्चर्स टू यू. असद, आपको याद है बेटा? प्रीवियस देखना, हमने राउटर पढ़े थे, हमने हब पढ़ा था, स्विचेस पढ़े थे. तो ईच राउटर बेसिकली क्या होता है कि हमारे पास ये एक, हम डिफरेंट नोड्स को इसके साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं. इसके अंदर डिफरेंट सॉकेट्स होते हैं और हर पोर्ट के ऊपर एक आईपी एड्रेस यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो जाती है. These are the different ports. And these are the different nodes. Okay, so next, नहीं, आगे चलते हैं. अब हम लोग अपने राउटर हमने कर लिया. Now just have a look of it of data link layer. This data link layer basically is responsible of having the physical connection, because these two layers, ये वाली जो तीन layers हैं, they are actually playing their role in TCP/IP suite, और ये वाली जो दोनों हैं, they are actually responsible for the physical connection between the two networks or two nodes. In this case, MAC address plays its important role. How? Because whenever there is a physical connection established between the two computers, sender and receiver, then those devices' MAC addresses would be involved. What is a MAC address? This is a unique address of that particular device that is actually connected over the network. So the MAC address of the source code नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, and MAC address of the destination device. This is the sender and this is the receiver. Both of them have got their own MAC addresses, and due to that, physical connection would be established. Is that clear? Is it clear, बच्चों?
Yes, miss.
Either LAN,
एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए.
कहाँ से बेटा? डेटा लिंक लेयर का?
जी जी.
अच्छा, देखो, these three layers have got their role in TCP/IP suite. And they are actually related to the software end. यानी जो भी एप्लीकेशन आप यूज करोगे उससे रिलेटेड इसका लिंक होगा. But these two layers, data link and the physical layer, they are actually responsible to have the physical connection between the sender and the receiver, like between the two machines. Physical connection can be established, and that would be done in that case only if MAC address can be known. MAC address of this device and MAC address of this device, both are actually playing role to have the secure connectivity between a sender and a receiver. There are multiple nodes connected over the network, but to make it sure that this sender wants to send the message to this receiver in particular, it would be done by the MAC address only. If they can't keep track of the MAC address, there is no surety of transmitting data over the secure network. It can easily be lost and can be sent to some other receiver. Now, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Whenever there is a LAN, local area network that you usually make, आपने घर में 3-4 phones का बना लिया या 2-3 laptops का बना लिया, in that case, Ethernet is involved. On the contrary, when there is wide area network, then that's point to point. Point to point means there is a single computer and this is another computer. That's point to point. ठीक है? So then in that case, switch operates in this case because Ethernet and switches both would be involved. Ethernet in that case when there is a home small network, and switch in that case when there is a comparatively big wide network. So both of them would be involved in keeping track of MAC addresses of sender and receiver that actually wants to transmit data between each other. So far so good?
Yes, miss.
अब हम थोड़ा सा आ जाते हैं, हमने layers का तो देख लिया. Now we would see how this transmission being done. ये Ethernet है, PC to switch, home router. उसके बाद फिर ये further जाता है किसी और कंप्यूटर के पास, अगर कि वो दूसरे नोड पे है. ये होम पे और फिर स्विच इन्वॉल्व हो जाएगा कब? जब ये वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क पे. नाउ मूविंग ऑन, ये देखो, this is the TCP/IP stack. It's just like a burger in which you have got all the layers connected with it. अब एक बर्गर के अंदर किस तरीके से सारी लेयर्स होती हैं कि एक पैटी होता है, उसके ऊपर चीज का स्लाइस होता है एंड देन द बर्गर, या आप अगर डिफरेंट कैरम की लेयर्स बना लो, जो भी उसकी वो सारी चीजें होती हैं, तो वो उस तरह की एक लेयर्स बना लेते, एक स्टैक बना लेता. एप्लीकेशन लेयर transmit data to the transport layer in the form of data packets. Then network layer. These are the 3 layers that involves at the source computer or the sender. ये sender है और ये receiver है. ये router receiver का है, ये sender का है. Software end of the sender, software end of the receiver. Then there is a link, data link layer that establishes connection between sender and receiver. Router is involved in it, and then it would be sent to the receiver. To send data from the sender to the receiver, there is one process involved that is called as encapsulation. And in this case, when it is transmitted to the receiver end, there is decapsulation. Let's have a break for a while because अजान हो रही है. फिर मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में कंटिन्यू करती हूँ.